My name is Sashi Pemaraju, and I'm the Global Product Manager for Enterprise Neutral Host Solutions. Today, what I'm going to showcase to you is a demonstration of a neutral host system. So let me first start by looking at this model here, which is illustrating a public venue. A public venue can be an airport, a convention center, a hospital, or any other arena where there is requirement for coverage. These three lights that you see here are representative of three different operators. Different colors represent different operators. These operators today are spending their time, energy, effort, and capex on building out their macro network around the public venue. As you all know, the 5G spectrum is not very conducive for in-building penetration. I'm talking about mid-band to higher mid-band spectrums. So as you can see in this particular illustration or in this model, these lights, which represents the operator, do not go all around the building. You see this color, it's only covering half the building, and so on and so forth, which means that this particular venue does not have good 5G in building. So what does the enterprise owner do? He has to serve the needs of his tenants. And the only way he can do this is by building a 5G system inside. There are three useful techniques that are used to do 5G. He can either deploy a Wi-Fi system all around, and by doing so, he can cover the whole building. However, Wi-Fi systems are not really conducive for ubiquitous coverage. They have capacity issues, they have reliability issues, and they have security issues. So really, Wi-Fi is not a very good solution for this particular application. The other technique that they can use is an active DAS system. These systems they work in conjunction with the operator's base stations and provide 5G coverage in building. Now, active DAS systems are actually made up of two systems, the active DAS component and the base station component. And these two systems are quite complex in how they interact. Their total cost of ownership over a period of 5 to 10 years is also quite high because of the complexity in the solution. So that leaves the third solution, which is the Ericsson Radio Dot System. The Ericsson Radio Dot System is a single system that is used to cover this whole building space. And I'm illustrating that by showing this colored, lit all around the building. The radio dot system is a single system but multi-operator. And what makes it multi-operator is our radio dot, which is multiple frequency bands that can be transmitted on a single radio dot. So in this particular scenario, the enterprise invests in purchasing the in-building solution from Ericsson, deploys it in this particular venue, and then secures right to transmit from the operator. And by doing so, he is able to provide a cellular coverage in building. As you can see, this venue, the three lights are kind of changing, which is reflective of the fact that you have all the three operators now covered inside the building. Another important element of the enterprise neutral solutions from Ericsson is our Ericsson Indoor Manager. This is a cloud-based network management platform that is specifically designed for the enterprise. It allows the enterprise to self-perform day 0, day 1, and day 2 activities. For example, integrating a baseband, resetting a baseband, locking, unlocking a particular sector, upgrading the baseband and the network. This allows the enterprise to self-perform and not rely on other external entities for services such as upgrades or break-fix activities. This brings down the overall cost of ownership for the enterprise to run an Ericsson neutral host system. Thank you.